What's up, Toby? We got some snow today. Alright. Today's project, getting the truck running so I can drive it in the snow. As you can see, I can't reach to get the snow on top of the windshield. Just barely got the hood open to connect the battery. Let's see. I couldn't open the other side of the door because the handle was frozen, but I got this one open. Hey. Whoop. Cool. Alright. Well, let's see what we can do here. I got my keys right here. Let's see if I can start her up. Good chance it won't start though. Okay. Let me put this down just for a second. Get my butt in here. Oh. Okay. So as you can see, this is what it looks like in here. Still haven't rebuilt the dash yet. Been lazy. Windows are frozen. Okay, let me get the key and see what happens here. This one right here. Alright. Put on the brake. A little chilly. Uh-oh. This one park. Give it a second. Ooh, that's a Dodge for you. Oh yeah. All right. Let it warm up just for a minute here. See if I can clear some. I got windshield wipers, but they don't have the rubber part on them. Okay, so let it warm up a minute. Let's see if I can do this. Door panel's still not on. Not that one. Okay. I know you're not supposed to do this, and I hope it don't break on me. Alright, now that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get you get ice off your window. That's like not gonna happen. Alright. You know, something for a Dodge, it's running really good. I got some 10W40 oil I changed 2 weeks ago, and it's a lot smoother now. It's not chirping like it used to when I bought it. Oh man, well, here's the SUV I haven't even messed with. I know the battery's dead on it. Okay. Okay, well, I'm going to be cautious and let this warm up a little bit more. I might go ahead and cut the video off. Bad thing is I do not have a defroster on right now. So I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to get this cleared up. This is going to be fun. I'm just going to try not to tear up the yard too much. My dad still has to mow the grass when it gets this summertime. But yeah, I mean, pretty excited to see what this thing can do. It's first truck snow day. Getting rain all over my camera. I hope this little Samsung thing can handle it. Alright, well I might not cancel this video, stop this video and make another one in just a minute when this point warms up a little bit more. Alright.